Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about table data conversion. Okay, let's create a simple table rating. Create table rating. Suppose it has ID, serial, primary key, and another one is rating, which is varchar. Varchar suppose 20. Not null. That we must need to insert a value for this column. Okay. Select star from ratings. First run the query and create table. The table created successfully. Let us fetch the value. Let's see the table schema ratings. Yes, rating is a character varying and ID. Let's insert some values in this. Insert into rating for rating values. Suppose capital A, comma capital B, capital C, and capital D. Okay, let's insert this value first. The value is inserted successfully. Okay, let's see the values. Okay, now insert a value. Insert some integer values. 1, 2, 3, 4. Run. Okay, let's see the table values. ABCD and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now suppose what if we want to change the table data type, but at the same time when we are trying to change the data type of this column, it gives us error because that already present ABCD values. Okay, so for that I have written one script, and let's see. Select ID, comma table ID and this rating. Okay, let's first select this, but where select ID, comma one more field rating, but where from rating table, and in this from rating. And for this ID, let's for this rating, let's write one case, that is case. We are going to discuss about this section in further in brief. Let's over I'm going to give an idea that how we can convert all the data type. Okay, case when rating hyphen e here you can use small literal, so there is no need. PostgreSQL is not case sensitive. PostgreSQL is case insensitive. Here this expression tells that if the value contained in this column is integer, then convert it to integer using cast function. Already the values are in integer format, then we can convert it simply in using cast function. Okay, the rating column value as we want integer. Sorry, integer. Okay, that's it. Don't much think about this regular expression, because we are going to cover this in brief in the following session. Integer, and if else means these are if they are not integer values, then return 0 and end the case. That's it. End. And alias rating means we are fetching first id as some unknown alias, and this case as rating alias. Okay.